And I think that's one of the skills that's going to be vital in the future with working with AI is like critical thinking and what that entails and how difficult it is and how you have so many biases and then you have to kind of fight yourself, so to speak, to
Right.
keep that up to on the surface every time you deal with someone or you think about something because that could cause you to go in the wrong direction. And I like your suggestion about the whole, yeah, taking an arts major or what have you to kind of be a prompt engineer because they will kind of, push the folks that are into AI and they understand how it's trained. In a lot of cases, it's going to give you an answer based on a, let's call it like a standard deviation from what they believe the answer is going to be. But if you want to go 2 or 3 standard deviations away to kind of go to think outside the box, you
Yep.
need prompts that push it to go outside the box, which is interesting in my opinion because we all know that programmers thrive on the kind of deterministic systems of like where 1 plus 1 equals 2,
Right.
but the AI that they're creating is more it introduces randomness to the equation and much like human unpredictability and the irony is that we're building AI tools that challenge the very perception, the precision of value.
Yep.
So it's to me this is a fascinating topic and one that requires a bit more to expand on. So you know, I feel like we're back in the days when I started working at IBM, we'd always, when we had to do a change it to an environment, we'd always start with, we'd have a non-production environment. We'd test things out before we roll into production. But I feel like what we're doing with AI, we're just going straight to production and seeing what happens and what breaks, which
Mhm.
is scary kind of in a way.
Yes, it's that whole Big Bang idea that uh, baffles the mind. I am not a risk averse person, but for that, very risk averse.